Encryption is one of the major functionality of this presentation layer. So let us take here you have the client and the server here you have, and in between you have the n number of routers. Okay, suppose I am sending the data ABC. While sending this data I am going for encryption. So while encrypting, suppose if I use just suppose k, if I am using k plus 1, means here a, take it as abc, k plus 2. Here I am using a plus 2 means it's a c, right? A plus 2 plus 1 is b plus 2 is c, and b plus 2 is d, c d. Then c plus 2 is d plus 1 e, c d e. This data I am sending. There may be possibility that in between some intruder capture this data, and then by using some attempts breaking this one is very easy. So he will get the data ABC. So he came to know that what you are sending the data from source to destination. So breaking this kind of things are is very easy, so that you have the RSA DES algorithms. Okay. So one thing in this case is you can also break this one, even if you convert your actual data into actual data encrypted by using RSA or DES algorithms. But you can break this one also. This data also you can break it, but thing is this will take, if you came to know the logic behind this one, this is suppose if it is a k plus 2, if you know that converting this one in your system is within seconds you can do it, but in this case it will take some years to break it. Suppose you sended this data in this year, assume 2014 you said, and if he break that data, if he came to know that data in 2010, so there is no use obviously, right? So you, if you get the, if you are able to break the data on the same day or next day or few certain amount of time, very less time, then only you can able, you can use it. But if it is going to breaking that data, if it is taking too many years, so no use. So that's why RSA and DES are the strongest algorithms in the encryption side. So this is altogether presentation layer main functionalities is encoding, compression and encryption. Then we will see the application layer, the last layer in the OSI reference model in the continuation video. Thank you.